Hi, my name's Caroline and I'm doing the Level 2 Diploma with Annie.
You learn experiential, practical and science-based knowledge, and it all just comes together. And the wonderful thing with the workshop is that we're constantly working between these different modalities and these different ways of learning.
It's been very informative. If you want to explore more of energy healing, of sound, this is the course for you really. If you want to help others reach their potential and find, it's a lot about love and compassion as well. It brings in so much stuff.
My favourite part was everything. I enjoyed learning all about the instruments.
A highlight for me over the last few days was realising that I can do this. And, being with other people in a community, with the teachers and with peers was just very rewarding.
It's a non-threatening course, and there's always space to ask questions. There's always time to approach the facilitators and really feel safe. It's a really safe environment to ask lots of questions and get to know everything.
I have such great knowledge with just every single instrument that we've been taught and all the benefits as well.
What I've found is with this course, we become good friends. The leaders and the facilitators, such as Annie, and there's other facilitators as well, they're a non-threatening bunch of people. They're really good fun. So I've loved beginning to end, as I said.
So I would recommend it to anyone who's passionate about making a difference in the world and really, holding that space, because at the end of the day, we are all frequency, vibration and energy.
Yeah, I highly recommend this course to anyone. Everybody should do it.
If you're interested in the body and interested in sound as a healing modality, I highly recommend this course.
I would definitely recommend this course to anyone who would like to learn more about sound and the power of sound.